Welcome to the Caliber channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check what hard drive you have on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to your search bar. In here, search for System Information. And from the best matches, you'll find System Information. Just open this. Then just expand this window. After that, just click on Components. Just click the plus icon beside the components. And after that, just go to storage, click on the plus icon beside the storage. From here, just go to disk. And here, you'll see all of the disks that you have on your computer listed here. For example, the first disk that I have is from PNY. Here, you can see the model PNY and also the model number. And if I go a little bit down, you can see the model of another disk, which is from Seagate. ST is for Seagate. This is the model. You can just go and You can just go on Google and search for the model. You can find the hard drive and the brand. And the next one is from WDC, which is Western Digital. If you don't know where they're from, you can just search. Just search for the model number on Google and you'll find it. And basically that is how to check what hard drive you have on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.